I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and making the fixture safe to touch. Once done, remove the shade or housing so you have clear access to the socket and mechanism. You should keep screws grouped so reassembly is faster. Now examine the pull assembly. Note how the string threads through the switch and any bead or knot stops. Make a quick photo with your phone. This helps you replicate routing when installing the new cord. You remove the old string and free it from the switch drum or knob so the internal mechanism is exposed. Next, thread the new cord through the same path. A stiff wire or needle nose pliers helps guide it through tight openings. Once the cord reaches the switch, secure it with the same knot or bead style the manufacturer used. Tie a snug knot so it won't slip. Make sure the pull length matches the original and that it moves the mechanism freely without binding. You restore power and test the pull repeatedly to confirm smooth, reliable operation. If it works, reattach the shade and fasten screws, checking the cord route so nothing pinches or abrades it. Make sure the pull hangs at a comfortable length. If you notice sticking or slipping, unplug power again and inspect the switch drum for dirt or a worn groove. Clean gently or replace the internal switch if frayed. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.